It's Thursday, December 13th. My name's Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. Let's start with Axiory's technical outlook for the euro-dollar. After a short correction, it has rebounded and is now approaching resistance at R1. It seems it could form high earlier, and subsequently it will retest daily pivot. Decline below this level will confirm downside movement, and target will be at S1 support. Further fall towards S2 is also possible. Based on these conclusions for each indicator and chart analysis, we expect a bearish trend. After that, according to our outlook for the dollar-yen, prices just broke above resistance at R1, and next objective is R2. We can expect a sustained rise, which will continue towards R3, where a new high could be formed and correction underway. As long as price holds above the daily pivot, upward move will be in favor. The vast majority of our indicators expect a bullish trend. Next, the sterling dollar's outlook. The cable is testing daily pivot, and if it holds above this level, target will be at R1 resistance. But if it will be limited by R2 resistance, consolidation will be in favor. Also approaching support at S1 will be indicating decline, and further fall could reach target at S2. Based on Axiory's chosen indicators and chart analysis, we assume a bullish trend. Finally, our outlook for the dollar franc. If it holds between daily pivot and support at S1, consolidation will be in favor. Further decline will confirm target at S2 support, and deeper decline towards S3 is also possible. Also, rebound from first support will test daily pivot, and in this scenario, price will target at R1 resistance. Vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis in the dollar franc show a bearish trend. Today's first news will concern about the Libor rate, which will be published by the Swiss National Bank at 8:30 a.m. GMT. Analysts are expecting interest rate will remain at 0.25%, as it was in the previous quarter. Also, it will have a high impact on the Swiss franc. Next, Confederation of British Industry is going to report figures about industrial order expectations at 11 a.m. GMT. Analysts are expecting improvement from -21 to -17, but it still indicates a lower order volume. Moreover, medium impact on the sterling can be awaited. At 1:30 p.m. GMT, Department of Labor is going to publish data about PPI in the United States, which will have a high impact on the dollar. It is expected deterioration from -0.2 to -0.5%. At the same time, Census Bureau will release figures about retail sales in the U.S. Previous reports showed decline by 0.3%, and today analysts are awaiting a rise by 0.5%. This will also have a high impact on the dollar. Department of Labor will of course report regular weekly figures about unemployment claims at 1:30 p.m. GMT. It is expected a slight decline from 370,000 to 369,000 in jobless claims. Analysts are expecting a high impact on the dollar. First place in MiraTrader now belongs to Lazy Rockstar Strategy, which has declined to 364.6 pips. It is followed by System SP, which has also declined, but by 48.1 pips. FX New is at third place, gaining 1,256.2 pips. Fourth place is now Teo for Kiwi Dollar, which has fallen to 199.8 pips, and at fifth place is Strike Strategy, which hasn't changed since yesterday. In multi-trader platform, Rise Strategy declined 5.38% despite an increase by 0.08%. Fibonacci and Fractal Strategy remain at second place. IGS Fund also recorded the rise and holds at 8.16% on third place. Taiji remained unchanged from yesterday, and Maple Forex decreased slightly to 5.02%. And on this date in 2003, former Iraqi President Saddam Hussein is captured near his home in the town of Tikrit. All of us here wish you a successful and productive day, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching Axiory's broadcast. See you tomorrow.